Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to find the zip code on your Cash App card. To begin, open the Cash App on your device and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select the Personal option under the Account and Settings section. In the Personal settings, scroll down until you reach the Address category. Here, you will find your full address, including the zip code associated with your Cash App card. If you need to update or edit your address, tap on the Address field. This will allow you to view or modify the zip code and other details as needed. The zip code shown here is linked to your Cash App account and your Cash App card. Ensure it matches the billing address required for any purchases you make. That's it. That's how you can solve the issue of finding the zip code on your Cash App card. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.